Howdy y'all, Phil here from Peterson Farms in Nashville, and today I'm going to show you how to replace the light bulb in a Ram 2500, which has gone out. First, you want to locate your headlight. In this case, we'll be working on the left side driver's headlight. That would be this one right here. So you would think you'd have access to the bulb behind the headlight. As you can see, that's not it. No, we had to get creative, Mopar, Ram, whoever you are, and create this trap door underneath the driver's side wheel well. And you look up there and you'll see a white clip. That clip is what we need to disengage so that we can ultimately remove the headlight. So how do you do that? Well, you just lift up this flap, locate the clip, push up on the clip like so, and that disengages the headlight ultimately so that you can remove it from the front side. So there's just a few more steps you must complete before the headlight is ready for removal. All right, so we have 2 more bolts to remove. Here is the most obvious one. Don't drop it. All right, now the next one is not so obvious. It is, if you look at the grill, and you look in this cavity right here beside the hole, the bolt that you just removed. So if you look way down there, you see that bolt all the way down there at the bottom, center of your picture? That's the next one. How do you say we get that one out? Well, let me show you. Socket head on it, get it onto the nut, and then we, like so. All right, with a little additional persuasion, there's a little grommet on the back that's holding the tail or the headlight in. You just push it from the back side through that little window that you unhook the latch through, and then you pull, we hope, what is the remainder of the headlight out, like so. Now you've got these clips and couplers on the back side. And do those 2 clips there. And this is what your headlight looks like when you take it out. The back side of it anyway. But look, there's more to do just to replace the bulb. Let's start removing these screws here. Keeping track of them so you don't lose them. And here is your lights. So we want to get this guy here, this round one, that's your low beam. So it looks like it's this guy right here. We're just gonna twist and shout with normal greasy fingers, or bloody in my case. But you look at this and it does appear, but you look at these, it does appear to have some damage, which you probably won't be able to see. Yeah, see if I can zoom up on it later. The filament inside there. Plug it in, see if we get light. When we get light. Anyway, you just want to check, make sure that you get the red light bulb. So you too can replace your light bulb just like I did. If I can do it, you can do it. So next time you have a light go out, try changing the bulb yourself. It's as easy as looking it up on YouTube. But anyway, thanks for stopping in Peterson Farms in Nashville today, where we do these sort of things for friends, family, and future generations so that you can look way back when, in the now or in the future, whatever the case may be. God bless you all till next time. And remember, on your way out, hit that like button. And if you like this kind of content, consider subscribing to our channel. We'd love to have you.